What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Now today we are going to answer a viewer's question, and this question comes from a viewer by the name of Ikatani. Now Ikatani lives in Japan, and he said that, hey man, I have a Chevy Avalanche and I saw your videos on replacing the O2 sensors. Are they all the same, or do they all have different part numbers? And we're going to answer that right now. What is going on, guys? What's going on, Ikatani? First off, I didn't even know Japan even has Chevy Avalanches. I guess y'all do. Maybe you imported it or something. But to answer your question, yes, all the O2 sensors are the same part number. The one that I left in that description is for all four. They all fit. They all work. They all plug in. That's what they're for. Same part numbers. I've searched around many places, and on that link that I left you guys was the best price possible, 28 bucks for them. I bought one at AutoZone, same brand, Denso. I paid 34, and then I bought the other three on Amazon for 28. I should have bought all four, but you learn, and it's worth it. It's a Denso brand. Denso is really good. Denso, Toyota uses them all the time, and I never had any issues with Densos. They last a long time. So definitely take my advice and pick up some of those Denso ones. They're really good. Also pick up the tools, because they will help you do what you need to get done with those oxygen sensors. Other than that, guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick video. Ikatani, it really wasn't that big of a question to go into a long video for, but if you did enjoy it, I hope you did. Please make sure you hit the like button, and also make sure to subscribe if you aren't already. I'll see y'all later. Peace.